Do you want to add a payment method on your Airbnb? Here's how you do it. Simply open your Google Chrome or any web browser and search for airbnb.com. And once you're in, access your account by entering your credentials, and once you access it, navigate to your profile section, which is located at the top right corner of your screen beside the three lines. And once you click it, under the drop-down menu, you will see a bunch of options. Just navigate to the account, and under that, you will see the payments and payouts. Just simply click it, and under the payments and payouts, there are your payments and payment methods. Under the payment methods, you can add payment method. Just simply click it, and you can add Visa or MasterCard as your payment methods. And just simply enter the informations and click done once you have tendered. And that's how you add payment method on your Airbnb.